Hey guys, we're back to ripping and fishing. I'm heading down to the river right now, and this trail is super steep and slippery. Like, it's kind of straight down. Good thing I'm locked in with the Chacos. We got Miss Novi with us. Novi's in four-wheel drive all the time, so she's good. All right, once I get to the river, guys, I'm gonna rip a pack. How do we get there? I feel like I'm in the jungle right now. Whoa, that's a beautiful card, Fomantis. All right, guys, let's see if I can catch a fish now. Let's go. Let's go. Right underneath this rock. Oh yeah, that's a good size, guys. Oh, come on. Nice, guys. Another beautiful cutthroat. Got the orange fins. Let me get this fly out of him and just let him go. Oh, heck yeah, guys. Woo! Thanks for watching another episode of Rippin' and Fishing. I'll see you next time. Peace.